Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another one. Alright guys, we are back with this Hairsmarket Bodywave unit. Now I did start putting some curls in it. I was doing it on a mannequin. I just wanted to see how it will hold, but we're going to get into this cap construction first. Okay, so this is a 13x4 frontal. Okay, so get into that. She has 1, 2, 3 combs on top, 1 comb at the bottom, and our adjustable straps will kind of forever. Look at that lace. It's so nice. Look at that. Okay. And this unit, guys, before I even throw her up on my head, let me just throw her over my shoulder. This unit is going for $125. I have her in 20 inches, $125. So let's get on into her. All right, guys, so we're just going to go on through with our Hairsmarket 13x4 Bodywave hair. This unit is so beautiful, and I think it's beautiful because not only is she human hair, she's affordable hair, and I think that's super important. So we have this unit in 20 inches at 150% density, and I am really into it. She's the perfect amount of thick. You can still wear her out on a hot summer day without feeling like, Lord, take me to the king, okay? So this unit, the hair feels really, really nice. I didn't experience any shedding or any tangling. Now, we're going to wear her glueless. Why? Because we can, okay? This lace on this unit really is the star. Like, the hair is great and everything, but the lace is stunning. Again, this is a 13x4 Swiss lace unit. Now, I have the cap in medium brown, and this is pre-plucked with baby hairs, and you can absolutely tell that they took the time with this lace. Now, again, this unit is super affordable. She's currently going for just under $135. They are currently running a sale, so you can make sure you can get you a couple coins off. But this unit, for the price, is really impressive. Like, I'm super impressed. Now, this cap construction, the cap is big head friendly, and that needs to be noted. I did have the Wakanda Forever in the back just to make sure that she would lay flat because we are wearing her glueless. And I'm just going through with my wand curler and getting her together. Okay, now my barrel curler. What I love about this curling iron though is that it's that kind that I can take off the curling iron and add a different one. So I think that's super cool, and I really do love how this unit is taking heat. Now, again, check the link in the description box because I want to make sure that you all are not only getting right to that unit, but also using that coupon code below. Okay, so we are going to make sure that you get a couple coins off of this bomb unit. And for all the girls who are worried about all the expensive units, this one is a whole lot more affordable, and you'll have it for a little bit longer. So while we're moving and transitioning out of synthetic wigs, we want to make sure that we get a breathable option, and this is really, really one of them. In real time, it took me 20 minutes to get this unit together. We did not glue her down. So she is not glued down, okay? All I did was just take a little bit of the Got to Be Glue, hit up the baby hairs, and called it a day, okay? This unit is $125. And you know what? If you're looking for an affordable human hair unit, she didn't shed. She's not tangling, okay? You saw how fast we whipped her up? I don't really have nothing else to say. Hairsmarket, y'all go ahead and throw some more up in the mailbox, okay? Because this one is cute and she's super affordable, and I'm always looking for those human hair units that you guys can wear that won't break the bank, okay? And this is one of them. I'm giving you guys like a Achilles high bun with human hair. Okay, so that's still sexy curly hair. It looks beautiful. It took the heat well. I did not have to glue her down, and she still came all the way through. And to me, that's a win. That's a win. I'm going to turn around for you guys. Okay, we don't have much to say. We got her together in less than 30 minutes, and this is no lie. And I mean, that's where everything included. Cutting the lace, saying hi, doing all that. I came through. I'm a chop this up. But for real, she the one. Good night. This is the one. Come on through. Look at that. Let me just show you guys the part in space. Look at how beautiful that is. Okay. I don't have nothing left to give. She gave it all. Mother done came through. Let me find my wax stick that I just had. I'm just use a little bit of wax stick just to get these flyaways together. There you go. There you go. Mother done came all the way through. Glueless. Y'all, no glue. No glue. She's not even glued down. I'm so happy with this. She not glued down. She $125 and she came through and gave us Bodywave. Okay? I don't have nothing left to say. She took this curl so nicely. I'm so unbelievably happy with how the curls came through. How bouncy and light this unit is. And I'm going to say this. Okay, Hairsmarket, it's nice to meet you. We're going to come through and see you again, okay? And if you have not already, bust down, subscribe to our channel. Tell me what you guys are thinking. Get up on it. No glue. It's all about the lace. It's all about that lace, okay? And I'll see you guys later. Bye.